I'm going to the roof. Who's with me? Well, I can't. I got to go. Come on. An 80-foot inflatable dog loose over the city. How often does that happen? Almost never. Got the keys. Okay, first saw the giant dog shadow fall over the park. Yeah, but did they have to shoot him down? I mean, that was just me. Okay, right about now, the turkey should be crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Why are we standing here? We're waiting for you to open the door. You've got the keys. No, I don't. Yes, you do. When we left, you said got the keys. No, I didn't. I asked got the keys. No. You said got the keys. Either of you have the keys. The oven is on. Oh, I've got to get my ticket. Oh, wait. We have a copy of your key. Well, they get it. Hey, that tone won't make me go any faster. Joey, that one will. I swear you said you had the keys. No, I didn't. I wouldn't say I had the keys unless I had the keys. And I obviously did not have the keys. Oh, okay, alright, that's it. Enough with the keys. No one say keys. Why would I have the keys? Aside from the fact that you said you had them, but I didn't. Well, you should have. Why? Because why? Because everything is my responsibility. Is that I mean? Isn't it enough that I'm making Thanksgiving dinner for everyone? You know, everyone wants a different kind of potato, so I'm making different kinds of potatoes. I mean, does anybody care what kind of potatoes I want? No. You know, just as long as Phoebe gets her peas and onions and Mario gets his tots and get my first Thanksgiving and it's all burned and okay, Monica. Only dogs can hear you now. Look, the door's open. Here we go. Well, turkey's burned. Potatoes are ruined. Potatoes are ruined. Here we come. Walking down the this doesn't smell like mom's. No, it doesn't, does it? But you wanted lox Ross. Well, here you go, buddy. You got one. Oh, God. This is great. The plane is gone. So, I guess I'm stuck here with you guys. Hey, we all had better plans. Okay, this was nobody's first choice. Oh, really? So, why was I busting my ass to make this delicious Thanksgiving dinner? You call that delicious? It's a great day. Why did we go see it? Stop it. Now this feels like Thanksgiving. Okay, see, she stole my jeans. What? I have been looking for them all week and she is wearing them. So, she stole your pants and then she came back and wore them in front of you. Don't you see? It's the perfect crime. She must have been planning this for years. I will prove it to you. Okay, about a week ago, I was wearing those jeans and I dropped a pen in my lap and it left an ink sting on the crotch. Now, when she comes back, I will find it and show you that same. Shouldn't we give her the benefit of the doubt before we go snooping around her crotch? Hey, look at me. I'm making jam. Been at it since 4 o'clock this morning. Where would you get fruit at 4 in the morning? Went down to the docks. Bet you didn't know you can get it wholesale. I didn't know there were docks. Hey. Oh, is it broken? No, I'm going to wear this thing for a couple of weeks. Did you tell the doctor you did it jumping up and down on your bed? No, had a whole story worked out, but then our Chandler sold me out. Well, I'm sorry, Joe. I didn't think the doctor was going to buy that. It just fell out of the socket. What is this fruit? Monica's making jam. Oh, jam. I love jam. Hey, how come we never have jam at our place? Because the kids need new shoes. One end of business, people. I'm sick and tired of being depressed about Richard. I needed a plan. Plan to get over my man. What's the opposite of man? Jam. Oh, Joey, don't. It's way too hot. This will just be my batch. Gone for more jars. Back later. Monica Geller. Joey, take your time with that. That's my last batch. No more jam. Well, what happened to your jam plan? I figured out I'd need to charge $17 a jar just to break even. So, I've got a new plan now. Babies. Well, you are going to need much bigger jars. Oh, Monica, you are not still going over that thing. This woman's living my life. What? She's living my life and she's doing it better than me. Look at this. Look, she buys tickets to plays that I want to see. She buys clothes at stores that I'm intimidated by the salespeople. She spent $300 on art supplies. You're not an artist. Yeah, well, I might be if I had the supplies. I mean, I could do all this stuff. Only I don't. Monica, come on. You do cool things. Oh, really? Okay, let's compare, shall we? Oh, it's so late for shall we? Do I go horseback riding in the park? Do I take classes at the new school? No, this is so unfair. She's got everything I want and and she doesn't have my mother. Hey, hi. Yes, this is Monica Geller. I believe I'm taking some classes with you and I was wondering what they were. What are you doing? Alright. Great. Thanks a lot. I'm going to tap class. Well, so that you can dance with the woman that stole your credit card. This woman's got my life. I should get to see who she is. Go to the post office. I'm sure her pictures are. Okay, Monica. You know what, honey? You are kind of losing it here. I mean, this is really becoming like a weird obsession thing. This is madness. It's madness. I tell you, for the love of God, Monica, don't do it. Thank you. What do you think? Lots of things. Which one do you think she is? May I help you? Oh, no thanks. We are just here to observe. You don't observe a dance class. You dance a dance class. Spare shoes are over there. What does she mean? I think she means you dance a dance class. Come on. Really? Hey, you see anybody? You think it would be me? People, last time there were some empty yoga containers lying around after class. Let's not have that happen again. She could be you. It's okay. I'm here. I'm so sorry I'm late. Okay, here I am. So, who's the new tense girl? She's your partner. Hi, I'm Monica. Oh, Monica. No, hi, I'm Nana. Man, it's Dutch. You are kidding. I spent 3 years in Amsterdam. Pennsylvania Dutch. And we are dancing. A5, 6, 7, 8. Where the hell have you been? Why can I just crash an embassy party? Are you drunk? No, why? I'm so drunk. Oh, right, Monica. You know what? You could have called. I've been up here. I've been worried. Monica, what are rules? Yes, it does. Okay, look. The restaurant called again today. They want to know if you are going to be showing up for work. No, going to the Big Apple Circus today. Okay, Monica, what are you doing? You are going to lose your job. This is not you. No, it is me. You know, I'm not just the person who needs to fluff the pillows and pay the bills as soon as they come in. You know, when I'm with her, I am so much more than that. I'm Manana. Everybody else finally can start celebrating my I'm sorry. Apparently, I've opened the door to the past. Okay, Monica man. Okay, what you just saw? Can I ask you just a little question? Why tonight? What? See, I've been waiting my whole life to be engaged. And unlike some people, I only planning on doing this once. So, you know, maybe this is selfish and I'm sorry about it, but I was kind of hoping tonight could just be about that. Oh honey, but it is. No, it's not. No, now it's about you and Ross getting back together. What? Yeah, you kind of stole my thunder. Okay, oh, we did not steal your thunder because we are not getting back together. Yeah, no, and you know what? Nobody even saw. Yeah, that's true. I swear we just kissed. It was just a kiss. It was just a kiss. You guys kissed. What does this mean? Are you getting back together? Can I sing at your wedding? Thunder being stolen. Okay, come on, baby. It's nothing. Monica, come on. Let's not make a big deal out of this. It was a one-time thing. It doesn't even matter. Oh my god. I cannot believe you guys are talking about this. The problems in the bedroom are between a man and a woman. Alright, now Chandler is doing the best he can. Tada, are we greeting each other this way now? Because I like that. Look, I cleaned. I did the windows. I did the floors. I even used all those attachments on the vacuum except for that little round one with the bristles. I don't know what that's for. Oh, yeah, nobody knows. And we are not supposed to ask. Well, what do you think? Very clean. Really? It looks great. Very clean. Oh, I see you moved the green ottoman. How did that happen? I don't know. I thought it looked better there. And also, it's an extra cater on the coffee table. Yeah, it's interesting. But you know what? Just for fun, let's see what it looked like in the old spot. Just to compare. Let's see. Well, it looks good there too. Let's just leave it there for a while. Can't believe you tried to move the green ottoman. Thank God you didn't try to fan out the magazines. I mean, she'll scratch your eyes right out. You guys, I am not that bad. Yeah, you are, Monica. Remember, if I lived with you, you were like a little, you know, that is so unfair. Oh, come on. When we were kids, yours was the only raggedy and dog. It wasn't raggedy. Okay, so I'm responsible. I'm organized. But hey, I can be a cook. Alright. You madcap girl. Try to imagine this. The phone bill arrives but you don't pay it right away. Why not? Because you're a cook. Instead, you wait until they send you a notice. I could do that. Someone's left a glass on the coffee table. There's no coaster. It's a cold drink. It's a hot day. Little beads of condensation are inching their way closer and closer to the surface of the wood. Stop it. Oh my god, it's true. Who am I? Monica, your mom. You go to bed, guys. Alright, Monica. Mom, you are going to leave your shoes out here? Really? Just casually strewn about in that reckless haphazard manner. Doesn't matter. I'll get him tomorrow or not. Whenever she is a cook MHM. If it bothers you that much, just go out and get the shoes. No, don't do this. This is stupid. I don't have to prove anything. I'm going to go get them. But then everyone will know. Unless I get them and then wake up really early and put them back. Oh, I need help. To acquire you a message to begin speaking at the dawn. Hi, Richard, it's Monica. Listen, I did something kind of crazy tonight. Maybe I'm getting my period or something. I don't know. Anyway, I beeped into your machine and I heard this message that freaked me out. And you know what? Michelle will tell you the rest. I'm sorry, okay. And I hope that we can just forget the whole thing. Okay, bye. Your outgoing message has now been changed. Outgoing. Did that say outgoing? Not outgoing. Hi, Richard, it's Monica. Listen, I did something kind of crazy tonight. Maybe I'm getting my period or something. I don't know. How did you do that? I don't know. Goodbye. No trouble here. We've only got 12 hours and 36 minutes left. Move. Monica, I feel like you should have German subtitles. Joey, speed it up. I'm sorry. It's the pigs. They're reluctant to get in the blankets. Monica, how did this happen? I thought you had this all planned out. Do you want me to cry? Is that what you want? Do you want to see me cry, sir? No, sir. Alright, you. What? No, look, I told you I am not a part of this thing. Alright, I'll tell you what. When we're 40, if neither of us are married, what do you say you and I get together and have one? Why won't I be married when I'm 40? Oh, no, I just meant hypothetically. Okay, hypothetically, why won't I be married when I'm 40? No. What is it? Seriously, is there something fundamentally unmarriable about me? Well, dear God, this parachute is a knapsack. Everything's going fine. Really? Yeah, Ross is great. He's in a whole other place. No, he's gone. No, you don't have to fly back. Really? What do you mean? This might be your only chance. Would you stop? I'm only 26. I'm not even thinking about babies yet. Hasn't even thanked you for it. You know what? You are right. Yeah, I mean, if you want to say anything to her, I'd tell her off. Really? Okay, I will. Mrs. Green, it is rude to leave a party without